finale to be played on the 9th of February 2025. There's more to it. It's a special provision. You know, all of us must know of this provision. 55 cities I've told you. But there's a new provision that...
Born in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, a Mumbaikar at heart. I'm also still, right now, just so stunned and excited that I'm sitting next to the living legend, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, who I think we just watched on the TV screens at our home and gone like, oh my God. So I am completely awestruck right now, being next to him as well and being part of the ISPL. Coming back to my journey of cricket, I think I've always, been a great fan of watching and enjoying the sport for its team spirit, for the fact that it stands for the heart of what India also stands for. I think when there is a cricket match, every Indian somehow is just glued to, the screen, and your heart is beating. So I've always enjoyed watching that, but never thought I would be a co-owner of a team. Then also never thought I would be married to, into a cricket home where the legend himself and his son, that I would, interact and hear so many old cricketing stories. So definitely over time it has evolved. The love and the passion has grown, definitely. It's not happened overnight, it's grown because as you grow older, you hear such stories from Saif about, cricket back in the 60s and 70s, and it kind of just gives you also more and more love for the sport when you hear it. And now at the stadium, on the launch opening day of the ISPL, to see those players and my team members, Tigers of Kolkata, play with that passion, I think that even added more, to the love of cricket.
It's a very special name for you. But if you were to start this interaction, we just had a triumph in the T20 World Cup. So what are your thoughts on a potential film on the lines of the T20 World Cup triumph?
I think sports films are really exciting to watch, but they're also difficult to make. So provided we can capture the excitement and the challenges that people go through to achieve these things, I think sports films are wonderful. And I hope we can find the right people to make it really well. Because, like I said, they're difficult to make. But I think the Indian team at different levels for a while now has been shining very bright internationally. It's taken a long time to get there.
Many memories, many memories, because right from match 1 to the finals, the way all the players showed their commitment, their love, their passion for the game was magnificent. मगर मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा अलग मेमोरी जो मैं कहूँगा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. When I met आमिर, जिसका मैंने वीडियो देखा था पहले सोशल मीडिया पे, and when I went to Kashmir I ended up meeting him. उसके बाद मैंने उसको ये भी कहा था कि I want you to come to Mumbai and play the first ball of ISPL. ये मेरा ड्रीम है. तुमने मेरा टी शर्ट पहन के खेला था, मैं तुम्हारा टी शर्ट पहन के खेलूँगा और वो ड्रीम हम पूरा करेंगे. और जिस तरह से वो आके वहाँ पे पहला बॉल खेला, सिर्फ मैं नहीं मगर मेरे साथ द होल कंट्री वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, और सच एन इंस्पिरेशन. तो मैं कहूँ कि वो मेरे लिए बहुत खास